Hello everyone, this is Sharif Abuzid again with a new quick video. And in this new video, I'm going to show you how you can add this very simple but very effective newsletter subscription form at the bottom of every single post of your website, just using one simple step if you are using Astra Pro. This can be a very effective way to build your email list without doing a lot of work or knowing any type of coding. Now let me show you quickly how you can do this. Of course, you need to have Astra Pro installed and activated inside your website, and also you need to have Spectra just to add your heading, and maybe you need to add an image, and of course we need to use Sure Forms to have our sign up form, which will include our email address, or where we can ask people to add their email address and maybe phone number and also their name. Once you have all of this installed, you need to go to Astra and then go to the dashboard, because with Astra Pro you need to activate a setting called Site Builder, and this is a premium feature of Astra Pro, so you need to have it activated like this. Once you do this, you need to create our sign up form, which will be done using Sure Forms, because it has a ton of features that are very helpful when creating newsletter subscription forms. Of course, you can generate one with AI if you are using the free copy. You can do this, but I like to start from scratch because I want to show you some settings that we are very helpful. Let's give this a name. So let's call this like newsletter form. Okay, and using Sure Forms to create your forms is very easy to be done. Let's say that you need to have your email field added. All you need to do is to click this plus button here and choose your email. That's it. Now you have your email field added, and you can ask people to add their email here. If you want to add like a name field, you can just click here, choose a text field, and write down here, let's say name. And that's it. If you like to have your name above the email, you can just add it at the bottom here, and now you can ask people to add their name and email address. I just need to have I need to ask them to add their email only, so I will just click and delete this. Now for the button itself, I like to call this, like I changed the name to be, or text to be subscribe. Here at the right part of the screen, I like to make this like center line, because these are all the options for the form itself. Now here we have our email and we have our subscription button here. Now if you want to redirect people into a thank you page, you can do this by going to the form confirmation, and here you can choose what type of confirmation you need people to see after they sign up. I like to redirect them into a thank you page, so I will choose redirect, and then I will choose my thank you page. Now, maybe you are asking yourself, where do the people add, once they add their name and email address, where does this information will exist? You can add them through integrations. I mean, you can use Sure Triggers for free, which is another plugin that is created by the same people who created Sure Forms and Astra, and you can connect your newsletter form with a ton of email marketing platforms such as MailerLite, Fluent CRM, MailChimp, ConvertKit, or any type of email marketing platform that you can use. This is an easy to use plugin, so the connection between your sign up form and your email marketing platform will be very easy. So now we have set up our email and our form confirmation. Maybe we have added our integration. That's it. Now we are ready. Maybe I need to choose, maybe I need to change the color of my email text into white, and I can do this by going to the form itself, and under style I will choose the text to be white, and let's click publish. Now we have our form ready. Now we need to add our form at the bottom of every single post. As I mentioned, this can be done using Astra Pro. So let's go back here and let's go to our dashboard. Remember that we have activated the site builder. So we need to go to the site builder here. This is actually one of the most important features of Astra Pro, where you can add like a ton of features or a ton of content inside certain parts of your website. You can use this feature to change your header, to change your footer, to add hooks. This is what we are going to use to inject content inside certain parts of your website. Let me first, like disable this one. So now to add this sign up form at the bottom of every single post, you need to create a new hook. So let's go to our hooks here and let's click create layout. And this is where we can, create our newsletter subscription form. So let's say newsletter form. Okay, let me fix this one. Let me fix it. So let me just newsletter subscription form. And now let's add a container to have more control over the design of our form here. And let's start by let's add a heading, and let's change the name into subscribe to my newsletter today. And let's make this center line by going to here, and then we need to have our form added. So let's click here in the three dots and choose to add after, and search for forms and choose this one. This is the black one because this is relevant to short forms here. And let's choose our newsletter form and let's click to choose it. And here we have our form, but because we haven't added a background to our container, we can't see the text. So let's choose our container and let's go to style, and for the background let's change it to be like this. Okay, and we will need to have a padding across all of our containers. So let's go to spacing, and here under padding let's make this like 25, and let's change the text of this like heading into a white text here like this. And maybe we need to increase the container, so let's make this 45. Yes, now this looks fine. Let's click publish just to save this. Now we need to make one last step, which is telling Astra Site Builder that where we want to have this subscription form to be added. And this can be done under the Site Builder icon here. So let's click here. And here for the placement, you can inject this sign up form inside many parts of your website. But you can add it before the head or the header, and also and after all the content, even inside the content, and many parts here. I will choose the after entry content, and for display options I will choose I want to display this only after all of the posts. Then I will go back to the post, I will click save, and here let's go back to our website and let's click refresh. And if we go down here, you'll find this is our new newsletter subscription form. Maybe we need to decrease the size of this header. So let's go back to the typography and let's make this, let's say 40 pixels, and let's click refresh. That's it. Now, if we go to any other form here, let's click refresh, you will find the new newsletter added at the bottom of this blog post as well. If you like to have a spacing between these, you can just go here under the spacing of the header itself, of the heading. You can just unlink this at the bottom. We can add like 25% spacing. Let's click refresh. And now if we add an email and we click subscribe, we should be redirected into a thank you page, and that's it. Now we are redirected into our new thank you page for our newsletter sign up form. And that's it. This is how easy you can add a sign up form at the bottom of every single post of your website if you are using Astra Pro, using just one simple feature. If you like to buy Astra Pro, I will leave down below my affiliate link. Now, thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.